How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 apps that pay you in 2020 and moving forward, guys. These apps you can literally download today and start making money. Now, these apps aren't going to, make you passive income, aren't going to make you rich overnight, but I do have a bonus for you at the end after I talk to you about these 5 apps that's going to help you make money passively. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. The first app is called Receipt Hog. Sorry about that. So this app is very cool. You can download the app and you could literally take pictures of your receipts and you get paid, guys. The only reason they're doing this is, they like getting data to see how your spending habits are, and they're selling these to marketers. So you literally don't have to do anything. You just get the receipts that you're already getting, you upload them to Receipt Hog, and you get paid. Okay, super easy, guys. You do get paid through PayPal, Amazon. They do have these really cool bonuses like casino slots where you can win even more money, and it's a really cool app, guys. I mean, this is one of the apps that you can download. You can literally start getting all your receipts and taking pictures. Super easy to start making money today, guys. All right, number 2. This one is called Nielson. Okay, so kind of a weird name, but this one's really cool. Okay, so this one, you literally download the app and you let it sit on your phone, okay? And that's all you do. You literally just download it, okay? And the reason is because they are tracking what you're looking at, like on Google, on Facebook. They're tracking, how you're, going around the internet. And the reason why is because companies want to know, for advertising. So if you don't mind, if you don't care, if you're, honestly, they're probably doing it anyways. So I at least might as well get paid for it. So this is the app that I use, when literally you can make $50 a year by just having an app on your phone. Obviously it's not like life-changing money, but it's free money. So this is a cool app, guys, and you can redeem through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, stuff like that. So highly recommend this because you're not going to be doing anything anyways. You're just literally just downloading the app, okay? All right, number 3, guys. This is one of my favorite apps that I actually still use till this day is Acorns, okay? So the cool thing about Acorns is it's an investing app. So you can invest in stocks, you can invest in mutual funds, index funds, stuff like that, okay? But here's the cool thing, okay? You can link a card, okay? You're going to link your card, and it's going to invest your spare change, okay? This is really cool, guys. So let's just say you spend, you go to Starbucks and you spend $4.30, okay? So it's going to round up the extra dollar, okay? So you spend $4.30, it's going to round up 70 cents, and it's going to invest for you into Acorns. So this one is really cool, guys. I actually have been using this one for a little over 3 years, and just using the roundup, guys, I've made almost $3,000. And the cool thing is the money that it takes, it's investing into like certain stocks, certain index funds, so it's even growing even more. So I highly recommend this one. I will link Acorns in the description below, but I highly recommend this one, guys. This one's really cool, okay? All right, before we move on to number 4, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I teach you a ton of ways to make money, okay? So I would really appreciate it if you like the video, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and move on to number 4. Okay. Number 4 app in 2020 and moving forward is Snapwire. This one's specifically for photographers, okay? So if you're a photographer and you love taking pictures, might as well go to Snapwire, because what's cool is you can sell your photos and companies will pay lots of money, guys, for these photos. Like me personally, I go and buy photos, that are, I use them for my business. I don't want to go and take photos. So I go over here and, I can go here as a business and buy these photos, but you can also go and sell these photos because companies will buy them, guys. People need these royalty-free photos, okay? So I mean, this is a great app if you're looking to, if you're a photographer and you like taking photos and you're looking to sell your photos, you might as well if you're already taking photos. So very cool app, okay? Snapwire. All right, the last one, guys, this one is Mobi. Okay, this one's really cool, guys. So Mobi app it pays you to do certain tasks, okay? So like it'll say, hey, we'll give you $10 to go to this store and take a picture of this cereal. That's literally it. So there's so many missions you can do, and it's really cool, guys. This is a really cool app to to make extra money, and you could definitely make a lot of money with this. You can almost make it a full-time income because as you can make as much as you want, because there's going to be certain missions. Now obviously if you live in a bigger city like Dallas or Los Angeles, you're going to have more work, but for the most part Mobi, it works pretty much anywhere. So I highly recommend Mobi if you're looking to make extra money online. And what's cool is you can redeem for rewards, you can do PayPal money, stuff like that. Okay guys, very, very cool app. This is one of my favorite ways that I made money when I was first starting out, and I didn't have a passive income business yet, and I needed to get money. Okay, so those are the top 5 apps in 2020, guys. Now remember, you're still trading time for money. You're not going to be rich overnight. You're not going to be able to build a passive income because you're still trading time for money. Okay, so I have a bonus for you guys. Okay, so this is what I do. I do affiliate marketing. I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing. So what I do is I sell other people's products, okay? And for example, guys, yesterday it was one of the biggest sales I have ever had in my life, okay? And because I set up a system that is paying me, forever, when I'm sleeping. So like literally I was at the gym, I woke up, I was at the gym, and then I looked at my phone. I had this huge sale, okay? Let me show you. This one right here, okay? $4,000, guys, in one sale. Can you imagine that? And I literally just started with this company not too long ago. And this is just one of my income streams, guys. So if you are interested in learning how to, make money while you're sleeping, make money while you're traveling, if you're tired of, driving to work and spending like 2 hours in traffic and, all that stuff, guys, I highly recommend starting a passive income business, okay? Something that'll pay you while you're sleeping. Now, I give you these videos like these 5 apps. That way you can start making money and you can invest that into a business like this, okay? Now, this business is only $7 to get started. This one specifically. And if you are interested, guys, in learning how to do affiliate marketing, how to create a passive income lifestyle, how to do that, click the first link in the YouTube description below, and it's going to teach you exactly how to start from beginning to end. And it's going to show you how to, do that. And if you don't have the money, guys, that's why I make videos like this. I make videos to teach you how to make money and then invest that money into a system, infrastructure that'll pay you forever and ever. Okay. And that is what this channel is all about. I do videos not so you can get a job online. Okay. Like doing these type of things is going to make you money, but you're still trading time for money. It's just like a job. So why do that? I mean, it's just working from home. If you want to do that, that's okay. But, most people come to my channel because they want to learn passive income. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Please reach out to me either on my Facebook group or on my Facebook Messenger. Guys, I want to help you out. I want to help you get that passive income lifestyle. And I promise you guys, you're going to have a $4,000 day just like this. And, just create a passive income lifestyle stream. If you are interested, click the link in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.